Hello friends, in today's mind mapping quiz, the first question for you is, which bird has the longest beak among the following? Next question is, name the bird that has the longest eyesight. Next question is, name the bird that has the longest lifespan. Next question is, how many times a year is the Migratory Birds Day celebrated? Next question is, name the flightless bird which is also the tallest bird in South America. Next question is, birds do not have a particular type of body part. Which one is that? Now, it's your turn to tell me the correct answer of this question in the comment section. Also write how many questions you answered correctly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.